Let's talk shop with logos. If you're creating a logo for your business, or maybe you're creating some sort of graphic to advertise, you've got to understand that although you have several points you want to include, you want to talk about the services you provide, you need to know that somebody's going to look at your ad or your logo for 2 or 3 seconds. So the logo and the name is the least important part. What you do as a service or what you sell is the most important part. So make sure, if let's say you're doing solar cleaning should be the 2 biggest words on that business card, on that graphic, ad offer, whatever you're creating. Then you should have your logo and ideally contact information somewhere on that banner as well. What everyone does is they flip that script and they try to put their logo big. They want to put their contact info big. Nobody gives a shit about that. They want what you do first. Then they'll go ahead and contact you. They'll look on that business card or on that graphic for your logo. Forget I said business card, this isn't the 90s, but any sort of graphic or online ad that you're running, make sure what you do is number 1 and forefront on that ad. Hopefully this helps. Check us out at how2ecommerce.com. Have a great day.